A business insider with the Bosnia and Herzegovina Export Promotion Agency says that countries in Central and Eastern Europe are willing to bring economic cooperation with China to a higher level.
China is, as far as I know, is always surprising. We are seeing that China economy is growing continuously and quite rapidly. The Chinese market is of course very, very attractive for us. First of all, that is the second world economy. So that is a very huge market. So all the countries from Central and Eastern Europe is willing and is ready to continue its economic cooperation with China, and not just to continue, but to improve it and to bring it on the even higher level, and to broaden it on all the segments and the sector of the businesses.
He also said that China's pursuit of new quality productive forces is reasonable for the country's further progress. New quality productive forces refer to advanced productivity, featuring high technology, high efficiency, and high quality.
We understood it to make products with a higher quality or value-added products, let's say. That is very reasonable for the China's further progress and the growth. So with the penetration of the European market with electrical vehicles that are made in China is one of the best example of the good results of this quality policy that China introduced. We are welcoming this progress and such products. I believe that we could find a way to have the win-win situation for the Chinese and also for the European markets here.